Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 18th of July, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 18th of July, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.01. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is positioned within a wide and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 11.45% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 9.67% to positive 30.61%. In terms of the longer perspective, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of about 19.82%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 10.52% and positive 92.87% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price within the range of approximately $294.97 to $635.78. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Tesla Stock Price After Friday Trading. The Tesla stock price gained 3.21% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 18th of July, 2025, rising from $319.41 to $329.65. During that day, the stock fluctuated 2.95%, with a low of $321.42 and a high of $330.90. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.63% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume has risen on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 20 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 94 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $30.86 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $488.54, while the lowest price was $182. Currently, the price is 32.52%, or $158.89, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Elon Musk's innovative drive-in restaurant, paired with supercharger stations, is nearing completion, potentially enhancing Tesla's brand visibility and customer engagement. This unique initiative could attract new customers, supporting both short-term and long-term sales growth. Meanwhile, Tesla faces significant challenges as its sales decline under the leadership of a newly appointed information technology executive who lacks traditional car sales experience. This situation could raise concerns among investors about management effectiveness and sales strategy in a fiercely competitive electric vehicle market, particularly in China. Looking ahead to Tesla's upcoming earnings report, analysts are cautious. Predictions suggest the company may struggle to meet earnings expectations due to declining sales and increasing competition. This sentiment could negatively influence stock performance as market players weigh these challenges. Additionally, the recent anti-dumping duty on Chinese graphite might affect electric vehicle prices, adding further pressure on profitability. As investors await crucial updates from Tesla, the stock reflects a mixture of short-term optimism fueled by innovation and long-term challenges stemming from management changes and competitive pressures. How these factors balance out will play a pivotal role in shaping Tesla's market trajectory in the months ahead. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 10th of July 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned TSLA a positive rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 7th of July, 2025, it was reported that William Blair rated TSLA as market perform with a downgrade recommendation. On Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark rated TSLA with a buy and a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned TSLA a sell rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TSLA an overweight rating but issued a downgrade. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also falls under strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a buy. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected around $317.40 and $320.67. If the stock falls below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. Yet some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 9.16%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 37 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 110 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 16 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 37 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $295.14 and $284.95. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this instance, Tesla finds support just below today's level at $295.14. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $284.95 and $284.70. This stock experiences average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $9.48 between its high and low, which is approximately 2.95%. For the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.06%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This extremely high PE ratio indicates that the stock might be overvalued. Yet, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with substantial market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 23rd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $0.4. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $334.07. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a noteworthy level to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $295.14. If this support level remains intact, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 11th of July, 2025, James Murdoch conducted an insider purchase of 90,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, he also executed an insider sale of 90,000 shares of non-qualified stock options, which grant the right to buy. On the 7th of July, 2025, Vaibhav Taina executed an insider sale of 4,000 shares of non-qualified stock options. The following day, on the 8th of July, he conducted another sale, this time for 2,000 shares of non-qualified stock options. On the 7th of July, he also made an insider purchase of 4,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 42.481. Overall, insiders have purchased 1,101,482 shares and sold 2,802,883 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $310.07, reflecting a decrease of 5.94%. This stock experiences medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 36 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, alongside a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Tesla stock to perform well in the near term. We have upgraded our analysis from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of July, we anticipate that Tesla will open lower by $2.33, starting the trading session at $327.32. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of monetary loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.